Yo, what's good, YouTube? Day 2 of this posting shit. It's currently 6:30. I just got out of the shower and stuff. I'm getting dressed right now, and now I'm about to head to school like at 7 something. So yeah, this is the first clip of the second day, and stay tuned for more videos. See you guys in the next clip. Alright, y'all, I made it to school, and I got first period right now. Got the medals as well. But yeah, I got first period right now, which is economic, like history, whatever. And then second period, I'm a TA. I got my medals. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Yeah, going back to class right now. And then after that, I got math, financial algebra, and we have a sub for that class. So we'll see you guys in the next clip.
I didn't do much. Just want to take the kids out to go walking. Some of my kids like to walk right now. They like to run too.
Are they older? Or they're still young?
They're a year and a half. So.
You just hasn't? Oh yeah, I remember when you were absent for a couple of days. Yeah.
I know, they're already almost 2. It's crazy. That time goes. Alright, Octavio. Catch you later.
Alright. So, I've been in my class, like the G class, and that shit's low-key boring. So I just left. I'm gonna go to the bathroom right now. Going to my other class. Got a sub. It's usually in a different class, like there. But yeah. Alright, y'all. We had a break after the math class I was in. It was like 15 minutes long.
Yeah, you're doing it right, bud. Yeah. Is that how you connect the black wires?
Yeah.
Which one's AB or what?
AB?
Oh no, that's.
Oh yeah, so we gotta heat this up. This is like 420. So yeah, we gotta heat it up and then apply solder. It's so good.
Hey, bud. Don't play too hard now.
Electronically controlled, you just have to put air in or take it out. You know, those levelings.
I think that's good. Yeah. Yeah, so that's good right there. I gotta do this one now and solder it. So, see you guys in the next clip. Alright, y'all. Well, gonna do the other one. Get in my face. Yeah, that's good, that's good. Don't want to like overdo it because the board can like get hot and burn, and I'll show this. So that's good. It's cool how you can like fire it. Alright, here's how we clean the tip. Go like that.
Whoa, I don't think that. You almost did. I just sit back. If I didn't have that, okay, think about the terminology. So when else do I come with? I have a bunch of girls ship.
I gotta clean this. It smells so bad. Oh y'all, I finished. This is the final product. Then you gotta get these. connect it to a motor. And watch the magic happen. All done. With the project. How you doing, bro? Wait, what's your name, bro?
Ozzy, bro.
Oh, are you the one from 831 Supply?
It's me, bro. Let
Oh
me know.
shit.
Send your hoodies,
Alright, bet. Thank you, bro. Alright, thank you, bro. Alright, y'all. That's about to end pretty soon.
No, see,
We're just packing
I
up
beat
right now.
myself with way worse on the day. No, you're actually.
Hey. Where was it?
No,
I bet.
dude, you're fine. I beat myself way
Y'all, what are we doing today? We just finished 4th period. About to head to 5th period right now, which is English.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm about to sit school.
And after that, we're going home. And that's pretty much for today. You got the homie Gio from the soccer video. Hey, you're on YouTube right now, way.
Cat.
Okay, brand new video.
Brand new video? What is it?
Dropping today.
Like,
Well, yeah, guys, I'll pick up the vlog once we go into class or something entertaining happens. Alright, y'all. 5th period right now. We're going to the library for a scholarship, like assembly, I guess. They're just gonna teach us about how we could get funds for college.
did no one know yet?
They already left.
She does close it.
Alright, y'all. I just got to school and I just fucking came to the store real quick. Now I'm going home. But yeah, that was basically it's not all for today's vlog, but that was mostly it for today's day. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. Probably take my dog for a walk or some shit. I'm not sure. But one thing that I do want to do is hopefully one day of this week we get together with the group. Like we go to Walmart to finish some clips that I need for a video, so I can upload the video to you guys. And yeah, I think it's gonna be like different from the videos I normally post, but yeah, I mean I like it so far, like the clips and everything. But yeah, we just need like a few more clips and we'll be done. But yeah, I'll pick up the phone or the vlog more later when I get home. So see you guys later. And it's 1:52 right now. Y'all, it's almost 7 actually. It's almost 4 actually. It's 3:57. I was just in my room, like cleaning underneath my bed and shit like that, cause I lost my earring and I thought like cleaning all that would make me like find that shit, but I still can't find it. I'll probably get new earrings or some shit like that. And kind of disappointed because I actually like those earrings. But hopefully it appears, and yeah. But I think later I'm gonna go buy some at the smoke shop because I'm not trying to go to school without earrings. But yeah, I think probably gonna like work out for a bit with these shits. Barely found them today. And my mom went to the store. Well, she had an appointment. She went to the store after, and she told me if I want anything from the store. I was like, yeah, fuck it. I think Lily wants to play with the ball. But yeah, I'll probably go to the park. I hope so, if it doesn't get too late. And play with Lily in the park with the ball. Probably take my brother too, because he wants to play soccer today. But didn't get to. Because I was supposed to pick up my sister. And like, she said later, but she didn't say what time. And like, what if I was like playing soccer and she told me to go pick her up? What was she doing? She sees people over there. Come here. Did you go shit? But yeah, guys, pick up the vlog once I go like do something to give you guys a little quick update to see like what I'm up to and stuff like that. But yeah, it hasn't been nothing too much crazy. See you guys in the next clip. Alright, y'all, so I came to the apartment to pick up Richie, probably my cousin if he wakes up. Then we're gonna go play soccer. And it's fucking cold right now, 5:30. And my brother went down there to go knock him right now. And I texted Richie to come out right now. Let's see if he pops out. I think he's in his car right now, look. Let's see. Where is he at? Where is he at? We sleeping?
Yeah.
Who answered? Who answered? Who answered the door? Y'all. Alright guys, we made it to fucking, I don't know what the fuck this park is called. They just give me directions and I follow them, but just over at the car getting off. We came a little bit late, but fuck it, we're still balling. It's fucking cold and we'll probably stay here till it gets dark. But yeah, I'll put my cleats on and warm up. Doing a challenge, we gotta kick it without kicking it lots of times all the way to the goal. This is my ball. That's Richie's. Let me go. My turn. Okay. My second one. Okay. Calma. Hey! Bro, you could just went through here.
Yeah.
Okay. Not bad. My turn. Alright, bro. Okay, so right now, I think Richie's ahead. Perfect. Now Richie, defense now, okay? Oh, I like. Change of plans. These don't have nets, so we're gonna go to the ones over there. The game is still on. Should I go? Go. Okay, not bad. Wait. Nah. See? I think I lost, guys. You think I lost?
Yeah, you lost.
Alright, guys, so it's almost 6:30. We packed it up already. We're like practicing shooting because Richie hasn't been like active on soccer either, so we did a 2v1. Going back. Alright, you guys, I'm on my way to the smoke shop to see if they have earrings. Last time I went there, they had like a lot of like different types of earrings, like all different types of sizes. Hopefully they're still there, and I'm gonna buy some. And then my brother wanted something like from the store, so I'm gonna get it for him. And it's 7 right now, so yeah, guys, today wasn't like really much of a like packed day with shit to film. Hopefully like I have more content for you guys tomorrow and tomorrow's vlog. But yeah, damn, you guys, look at the moon. I think it's a full moon right now. That shit's fucking bright as fuck. Like yellow. Went to shop already. I don't know what to get. Should I do it? Should I get spoons?